porn.
I got a fast connection, so I don't have to wait.
For porn.
There's always some new site.
For porn.
I browse all day and night.
For porn.
It's like I'm surfing at the speed of light.
For porn.
Turkey.
The internet is for porn.
Turkey.
The internet is for porn.
What are you doing?
Why you think the net was born? Porn, porn, porn.
You're a little bit racist.
Well, you're a little bit too. We're all a little bit racist. I think that I would have to agree with you. We're glad you do. It's sad but true.
If you were gay, that'd be okay. I mean, 'cause hey, I'd like you anyway. Because you see, if it were me, I would feel free to say that I was gay, but I'm not gay.
Together here on Avenue Q, we live on Avenue